Hi class, it is so very wonderful to see you again. Do me a favor and click that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. From now on, I'm not going to edit any of my videos in order to save time so that I can get videos out more often. Today we are going to be learning 11 new words that begin with the letters A, F, and A, G. The first word is after. After. A-F-T-E-R. And after means in the time following an event or another period of time. Your homework sentence, I can call you after lunch. I can call you after lunch. Word number 2, affirm. Affirm. A-F-F-I-R-M. Affirm. Affirm means to state something as a fact or to assert strongly or publicly. Your homework sentence, I affirm the bank is closed on Sunday. Word number 3, afflict. Afflict. A-F-F-L-I-C-T. Afflict. Afflict means to cause pain or suffering to, or to affect or trouble. So it's relating to a problem or illness as well. Your homework sentence, his arm was afflicted with a skin bruise. Now I know I said afflict here, but when you say afflicted, all you have to do is add the 2 letters ed on the end, just like this, ed, afflicted. This is afflict, and to make it afflicted, you just add the 2 letters ed. So then it would be A-F-F-L-I-C-T-E-D, just like these 2 letters here, ed, for the past tense of afflict. Word number 4, affect. Affect. A-F-F-E-C-T. Affect means to have an effect on or to make a difference to something. Your homework sentence, the mold began to affect their health. And also, affect can mean to touch the feelings of someone or to move them on an emotional level, to move them emotionally. And an example of that sentence as a different way to use the word affect, your homework sentence is the hardships he experienced affected him deeply. So affect can have 2 different meanings. It could mean to make a difference to something, such as in the first sentence, the mold began to affect their health. Or it can mean to move someone emotionally in the second sentence. The hardships he experienced affected him deeply. Word number 5, affectionate. Affectionate. A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N-A-T-E. Affectionate. Affectionate means feeling or showing fondness or tenderness. Your homework sentence, children are very affectionate. Word number 6, agree. Agree. A-G-R-E-E. Agree. Agree means to have the same opinion about something or to concur. I know you've heard many people to say that they concur. That means that they agree to whatever it is that you're saying. Your homework sentence for agree, I completely agree that it is warm outside. I completely agree that it is warm outside. Word number 7, aggressive. 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 Aggressive means ready or likely to attack or confront, and it's characterized by or resulting from aggression. Your homework sentence: he is very aggressive towards someone he does not respect. And word number 8 is again. 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 Again means returning to a previous position or condition. Your homework sentence: it is good to see you again. Word number 9, age. A-G-E, age. Age means the length of time that a person has lived or existed. Your homework sentence: may I ask your age? And of course you would end that sentence in a question mark. Word number 10, affiliate. Affiliate. A-F-F-I-L-I-A-T-E. And this word can also be pronounced affiliate, such as affiliate marketing. Affiliate means, or you can pronounce it as affiliate. Officially, it means to officially attach or connect to an organization. Your homework sentence: the artist is an affiliate with the art community. The artist is an affiliate with the art community. And your last word for this week, for today, is agitated. Agitated. A-G-I-T-A-T-E-D. Agitated. Agitated means feeling or appearing troubled or nervous. Your homework sentence: the more the child screamed, the more his mother became agitated. And I want to thank several people today at the end of this video, various ones of you who have subscribed to my channel recently, or you've commented on previous videos. So I want to thank Doris Ariamana, Shamoy Davis, Luke Bernard, Chase Frederick, Lucky Boy. I really like that name, Lucky Boy. Zachary's Lawn Care and More, Chumbay So, Christian Cube, and all of my students at Facebook and WordPress. And any new viewers that we have today, I want to thank you as well. Like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with someone who you know is struggling to read or learning to read. And I thank you for watching. Let me show you close up these words. Here are the words close up. We are almost up to 1,000 subscribers as well, so it's almost time for that giveaway. I'm going to have something special in store for you, so definitely subscribe to this channel so we can get past 1,000 subscribers. And like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.